In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Substack account. This process is quick and simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you're looking to secure your account after use on a shared computer or simply need to switch accounts, these instructions will ensure you do so smoothly. First, open your web browser and head over to substack.com. It's important that you're logged into your account to follow along. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. This is your main navigation point for this task. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and log in before we move to the next step. Being on the Substack dashboard gives you access to all the tools, and logging out correctly ensures all your data stays protected when you're not actively using your account. Now that you are ready, look at the top right of the page. You should see your profile icon prominently displayed there. Clicking on this icon will open a menu of options related to your account. Think of this profile button as the centerpiece for managing your account settings. It's where you'll handle everything from checking account details to, of course, logging out. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu becomes visible, showing various options you can choose from. This drop-down serves as a quick access panel for managing essential functions associated with your account. Among these options, you'll find the one we're focusing on today, Sign Out. It might be near the bottom of the list, so scroll if necessary to find it. When you click on Sign Out, this action will immediately log you out of your Substack account. This ensures that your session ends securely and minimizes any potential unauthorized access to your account afterwards, especially important when using a public or shared device. You'll notice that the screen shifts, and you are redirected to the main Substack homepage as a confirmation that the logout process was successful. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to ensure your account is securely logged out. Remember, logging out of websites when you're done using them, particularly on shared devices, is a good habit to develop. It helps protect your information and keeps your account safe. If you ever encounter any issues with this process, make sure to clear your browser cache or try accessing Substack using a different browser, which can solve many minor technical glitches. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials.